Hey, it's Greg Sabo on a new job site. We're going to be installing architectural lighting and stage lights on this project. As you can see behind me, the ceiling is being painted black, and we'll be replacing all of those lights you see right now with new Zabolights. Okay, well, I've got everything marked. I've got the whole place sectioned off in 4 quadrants, one being the stage and 3 other quadrants being the audience. And we've got everything marked. So now we wait till the ceiling gets finished painted. We start to get our low voltage wire run, and then we hang the fixtures. So check it out. So when you last saw me, I was on the job site. I was measuring where we're going to put the Zabolight architectural lights. Well, I'm at the shop now. We've got all the lights finished, so stay tuned. We're going to show you how we install them. This is all of our control cable for our architectural lighting. Each light gets a home run from the fixture all the way to these boxes. This is 14-2 wire. It's all low voltage.
And they're going to attach to the drivers. These are all 24-volt drivers. And then each driver is going to be attached to this plywood. So everything will be accessible in case there's a breakdown or a failure. They'll all be numbered according to the fixture. A box will be built around this to enclose it to make it look nice. But easy access, easy service. This is kind of end of day one, and what we have accomplished so far is we've got lights, architectural lights over the stage, we're halfway through the auditorium itself, and we've got our stage lights hung. We've run our DMX cable all the way back to the console. Read it up like this, like just general ambient light.
Like this?
Yeah. So we're doing some foot candle readings. Well, here's the final phase. We've got all of our lights hung, our stage lights are hung, our architectural lighting's hung. We've got it zoned in 8 zones, 8 controls for all the house lights, and of course the stage lights are controlled by its own dimmer board. Take a look at the great look we've created. Painted black ceiling, individual square architectural lights, all isolated, all with their own dimmers. It's a beautiful thing. Let us know what we can do for you.